Sometimes our African parents like to cook all kinds of stuff and you be wondering what the heck is that until they tell you to just taste it. And then when you taste it, you realize it actually tastes good. So today, I'm going to be making potato greens with beans and rice. My mother was one of those. She'll like making all kinds of stuff and make you eat it, but you end up liking it anyway. My meat here, I have chicken, pig feet, cow skin. I found snail, yeah, and some turkey neck. I have 1 cup of beans that I already soaked overnight and I drained out the water. I'm gonna be adding that in here. I want it to cook with the meat so that they all just soften up together. 3 cups of water. I'll let that pressure cook for about 20 minutes and we'll get the party started. Okay, I got a few garlic cloves here. I'm adding 3 whole peppers. One small onion. So now it's time to mix them all. I have my pre-sliced potato greens. This is about 3 to 4 cups. The meat and the beans already cooked, so I add that to the potato greens. The blended pepper, garlic, and onion. Some herbs. Half teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garden seasoning blend. I'll cook this down for about 30 minutes and then I'll add oil later. The potato greens were steamed. I already cut them up. I usually do that during farmers market. Then cut them up, steam them, bag them, freeze them. So, and the beans, as you can see, I already pressure cooked. The meat already pressure cooked. They're all soft enough. I don't need to cook it too much longer. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chicken flavor. I'll add about 1 cup of palm oil. And let it cook down some more for about 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. I still see some liquid in here, so I'll let it probably go another 10 minutes.